Today, we will be going over how to install the HISPEEDIDO Drop-in IPS kit for the Game Boy Advance. A link to our written guide with all the required tools can be found in the description. This guide will assume that you have already disassembled the console. A tutorial will be linked in the description. First, we will attach the screen to the control board. Place the metal contacts facing down in the connector. We recommend securing the control board with a piece of double-sided tape. This will prevent the board from moving around too much. Next, we are going to identify which variant of the GBA we have, 32-pin or 40-pin. Connect the appropriate flex cable for your console to the IPS control panel, with the metal contacts facing down. Flip the board over and connect the other end of the flex cable to the console, with the metal contacts facing upwards. Now we can flip the screen over and place the console into the bottom half of the shell to perform our dry test. This kit has an optional step of soldering 3 wires to the board to get brightness control through the buttons as well. Please note that this step is optional and not required to fully enjoy the kit. Always remember to use flux when soldering. To start, we will connect our 3 wires to the control board. We will need both shoulder buttons as well as the select button. This can be done with the board secured to the IPS display as well. Once the wires are connected to the control board, you can solder each wire to its indicated test point as shown. After soldering the wires, perform one more test to ensure that the controls are working to adjust the brightness. If everything works, then you can proceed on to reassembly. Place the 2 screen alignment brackets on the left side and the bottom of the screen window. The screen should fit snugly between the pieces and the right side of the window. Ensure that the IPS display is placed as far into the bottom left corner as possible. For this kit, we recommend placing the 2 touch sensors in these areas. This will prevent accidental touches, but keep the sensors accessible at all times. Once you have everything aligned and set, then you can place the rear half of the shell back on and screw it into place, completing your reassembly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe and check out our ever-growing wiki in the description below.